Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a very special Indian bread recipe. Let's see how to make this butter garlic naan. Here I am using some all-purpose flour. Add some salt, some sugar just to give a beautiful brown shade while cooking, and some baking powder. Take a whisk and mix all these dry ingredients. Now you have to make this into a dough. For that, I'm using 1:1 ratio of milk and water. Add it little by little and keep mixing. Drizzle some oil in between and mix it until everything comes together like this, and knead this for around 5 minutes. Once it comes into a soft and smooth dough, let it rest for half an hour. After half an hour, take it out and knead it again for 1 minute. Now make small balls out of it and start rolling it. I made it into an oval shape. Now you can add some nigella seeds and some grated garlic. Roll it very slightly on top of it so that it will get pressed onto the dough. Now brush some water at the back side of it. Now I'm going to cook this on an iron pan. You can also use a stainless steel one, but don't use a non-stick. Now place the water side down and press it gently on the sides of this bread. Now keep the flame on high and cook it. When you start to see these bubbles, flip the pan and directly place it on the fire. Cook it evenly on all the sides. Once you see these brown spots, the naan is ready. Slowly take it out using a spatula. You can see both the sides have cooked really well. Now take this onto a plate and you can apply some butter when it is still warm. Our delicious butter garlic naan is ready. This naan is really soft and delicious. You can pair it with any gravy curries. It tastes yum. So do try out this delicious recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and do watch more interesting videos from our channel.